This brand is made in Mexico by Ream Manufacturing, which is a subsidiary of Paloma Group for HvacRepairGuy Corporation, which is a wholesale distributor of HVAC equipment. They are only available through their dealer network in the USA, and their guarantee is not very good as it does not include total unit replacement in case of compressor failure. The Performance Series MLA18AZ models are boxy old-school looking basic air conditioners, but they use louvered panel construction, which is best for protecting the condenser coil from damage due to hail or debris thrown by a lawnmower. The Elite Series MLA18AZ models are a more modern-looking basic unit, but they use a wire grill for condenser coil protection, which doesn't actually do much. The Elite Series MLA18AZ models are ultimate air conditioners with variable speed compressors for quiet and efficient operation. The brand does not offer a model that qualifies for the HvacRepairGuy premium category. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.